Pitney Bowes Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Pitney Bowes is widely known for shipping, mailing, and e-commerce solutions, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is standard and predictable. The surprising truth is that Pitney Bowes pricing is modular and depends heavily on your business needs. For small businesses, postage meters and basic shipping solutions may start around per month, while enterprise e-commerce solutions with automation, analytics, and integration can run into thousands per month. You won't believe how customizable this is. Clients can select only the services they need, which can dramatically reduce costs. Additional features like tracking, analytics, and address verification are priced separately. Most people get this wrong by assuming all-inclusive solutions are the same across clients. Pitney Bowes actually tailors packages to match scale and complexity. In conclusion, Pitney Bowes pricing is flexible and scalable, allowing businesses to pay for exactly what they need. By understanding service tiers, optional add-ons, and usage-based fees, you go from zero to pro in optimizing shipping and mailing costs while gaining efficiency.